Natay 24K.
24.
At least, sa atong dapat ng tag 4K.
48.
Natay 48.
Oh, doon tayo lugar.
Ito na ito yun. Gizom.
Ano lang?
Ito na, tinudon dahil.
Tirod on. Wala tayo budget para kaon.
Tukira man.
Ay.
Tukira. Ako din mag-save of sinabangat. Regards guys. Let me tell you something.
This is the
Let me give
Jubilee
you
Park.
a brief history about this Palyasa Hall.
What is it?
This Palyasa Hall was donated by the Palyasa family.
Palyasa family.
Yes, that's why this hall, they don't want to name it by their name, but the school maybe, the NGC said they need to recognize the one who donated it.
Ah, okay.
That's why the name is Palyasa Hall.
Okay.
Ay inat man tadi eh. Ikaw na kayo dali na.
Every morning, magkuanta na dara mag Sea of Clouds. Pero hindi man yung morning. So, ito na Sea of
Kaya
Clouds.
gapin man ta na.
Okay.